Hey guys, it's Shane. I have the Crosstrek behind me, and today we're going to talk about the lights that I have on the front of the Crosstrek. So if you're on Instagram or Facebook, you probably see a lot of Crosstreks with lights mounted all over them. This is the front of my car. This bar here is from Rally Innovations. We'll talk about this bar in another video, but today what we're going to be talking about is these. These lights are from Diode Dynamics. They are the SS3s. These lights come in different brightnesses. You can also get different optics too. The cool thing about Diode is these optics are interchangeable. To change the optics is pretty easy. I've done this once before. There's 4 screws on the back of this lens, and you take the lens off and you can actually change the optics here. So you could change from amber to clear. You could also change how the light is dispersed, meaning this is a combo pattern. You can do flood, you can do spot, you can do driving. There's a bunch of different optics that you can choose. So if you do purchase a set of diode lights like this, and you know, a couple months down the road or a year down the road, you want to change how these lights look, you do have that option. Now moving up top, you have what we call ditch lights. You'll see folks run them up here off the hood like I am, or right here in front of the mirror where this little plastic piece is. So this light again is another Diode Dynamics light. Same premise where you can change the optics. A couple screws here that you would remove. You can change the lenses based on the output. You can choose from amber or clear, and then your different driving optics. One other note, you'll see a lot of guys running the aux beam gang panels. You know, they'll have them mounted up here or on the roofs or, you know, wherever. I only have those 2 sets of lights, so I didn't need like a 4 gang or a 6 gang panel. So I got this. I found this on Etsy. I will try to find the Etsy link and drop that in the video here, but this is just a 3D printed switch panel. It actually has 3 holes in it. Again, I'm only utilizing 2, and I just simply attach that to this little fuse panel with some 3M double-sided Velcro, and it doesn't go anywhere. It's nice if I want to hide it or just keep it open like I do. So I know this is ridiculously hard to see, but this is the backlit on the diode ditch lights. And here they are fully illuminated. One question I get too with the ditch lights is if you can open the hood the entire way without the brackets of the lights hitting the windshield. And the answer is yes, absolutely you can. So my ditch light brackets are also from Diode Dynamics. You can get these from a bunch of different manufacturers, so they do not need to match your light manufacturer. These were just the ones that I chose. Installing these is super easy. It only takes a couple seconds. You only loosen these 2 bolts. This slides in, you put the bolts back on, and you're done. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.